And another blizzard on Vancouver Island, another snowstorm. I don't know if this is as much as the last one. I don't think so. But it's a pretty good dump. Looks pretty neat too for Christmas Day. I guess taking winter wonderland literally around here. And normally you'd be able to see the ocean that way. Let's go, Fox. Let's go see. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. So railway tracks. Oh, yeah, neat. Just walked on them, man. You see the ocean or not? Well, kind of. You can typically see the mountains that way too. Anyway, I think it's gonna keep snowing for a while yet. So what's it been? Looks like a couple of inches, I guess. Anyway, it's kind of beautiful. Kind of nice for Christmas Day. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, so I can take my poo-poo in the snow. Mm-hmm. Okay, happy Christmas, everyone.